Ministry of Defense says 2,141 Civil War veterans who retired before qualifying for pension have been enrolled by the Ministry of Defense in recognition of their service to the nation. Minister of Defense Mohammed Badaru Abubakar disclosed this at a news conference in Abuja to formally kick off the 2026 Armed Forces Celebration and Remembrance Day with the theme Valour, Sacrifice, and Unity, honoring our heroes. Acknowledging the sacrifice of the military in national unity, the minister said personnel welfare remains central to the government's Soldiers First initiative, as 18 billion naira have been paid in group life insurance benefit to the beneficiaries as Debarment Allowance was introduced to promote veterans' dignity.
The welfare of our troops remains a non-negotiable priority, anchoring the Soldier First initiative. The upward review of the ration cash allowance and the significant investment in modernizing barracks facilities to provide safe and comfortable living environments. We have focused equally on the critical asset of healthcare and the dignity of service. This includes the establishment of the Victim Care Center, a top-tier medical facility for wounded personnel, and the upgrade of several military hospitals around the country.
The defense minister also used the occasion to commend the courage and professionalism of Nigerian troops across all theaters of operation, noting that significant gains have so far been recorded in the fight against insecurity.
Our troops have neutralized over 13,000 terrorists and criminals, arrested more than 17,000, and rescued nearly 10,000 hostages. Over 10,000 Boko Haram and ISWAP combatants and their families have surrendered. Those coordinated operations have led to the dismantling of key terrorist enclaves, the neutralization of numerous bandit commanders, and the restoration of peace to hundreds of communities, allowing displaced persons to return to their homes.
He, however, announced the development of a new strategic initiative titled Reclaiming the Ungoverned Space for Economic Benefit Program, which is aimed at engaging retired military veterans in restoring security as well as driving economic revitalization in previously insurgent-occupied communities. CNN News.